Are you worried that someone might have changed your data or someone can change your Excel data? In this quick video, I will show you step by step how you can protect your data or how you can protect your sheet from unwanted edits. So let's get started. First of all, you need to identify what exactly you want to protect. Do you want to protect some specific cells only in which you have your data, or otherwise do you want to protect the whole sheet so that nobody can add, nobody can change, or nobody can delete anything from the whole sheet? Let's say first of all we want to learn that how we can protect the whole sheet. To protect the whole sheet, you need to make sure that the active sheet is the one you want to protect, because once we will protect the sheet, the active sheet only will be protected. So let's say this is the sheet, VLOOKUP sheet is the one we want to protect. What we will do, we will go to review tab. In review tab, we will go to protect sheet option. We click on protect sheet option, protect sheet window will appear. In protect sheet window, first of all, you need to pay your attention on all these options. You can see allow all users of this worksheet to. Any option that will be checked here, any user will be able to do this. For example, you can see insert columns, insert rows. If you keep these options checked, any user will be able to add any number of rows or any number of columns. So what I will do, I will uncheck these options. Similarly, edit objects, I will uncheck. Here I will keep two options only checked. Select locked cells and select unlocked cells, because any user if can select locked or unlocked cells will not change anything, right? So I will add here password. I will go for OK. Again, I will need to add the same password. I will go for OK. Now I have protected this whole sheet. Let's test that it is working or no. Let's say I will try to add here anything. It is showing me error. The cell art chart you are trying to change is on protected sheet. So that's mean it is working fine. Now our whole sheet is protected. Now how to unprotect it? Again, go to review tab, unprotect. Here we need to add the same password that we added to protect it. We will go for OK, and now we can change anything or we can add anything in our sheet. Now second question is how we can protect some specific cells. Let's say we don't want to protect the whole sheet. We want to protect only these specific cells in which we have our data. So how we can protect some specific cells in a sheet, not the whole sheet? For this, first of all, we need to select the whole sheet from this corner. We need to right click. We need to go to format cells. In format cells, you need to go to protection tab. In protection tab, you need to uncheck this box locked. We will go for OK. Now what you need to do, the second step, you need to select these cells that only you want to protect. So I have selected these cells in which we have data. Let's say these are the only cells we want to protect. We will right click. Again, we will go to format cells option. Again, we will go to protection tab. We will click on locked. We will go for OK. Now after that, the all steps are same. We again need to go to review tab, protect sheet. We will add here password. Again, we need to add here the same password. Make sure you don't forget your password. Otherwise, it would not be easy to unlock your sheet. We will go for OK. And now let's say I want to change anything. It will not allow me to change. But as these are the only cells we have been protected, so all other cells should be unprotected. Let's say here I want to add anything. I'm able to add. Let's say I want to change, I want to delete anything, I can do it. So that's mean you can add, you can delete, or you can change anything in all of these cells other than these cells that we have been protected. So friends, that's it. You have just learned how to protect some specific cells or how to protect the whole sheet from unwanted edits. But for other cells, let's say we want to add, we want to delete anything, you can see Excel allow us to change anything in the cells other than the cells that we have been protected. So that's it. You have just learned how to protect some specific cells or how to protect the whole sheet from unwanted edits. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to give thumbs up if you like this video. Also don't forget to share this knowledge with your friends. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Bye bye.